Hey guys, what's up? EagleGarrett here. Have you ever heard the term, I'm gonna blow your mind? Well, guess what? I'm about to blow your mind. I'm about to perform what they call a mind explosion, okay? Now here's what we're gonna do. You see this little toy bulldozer truck right here? Just a little bulldozer. Okay, it's kind of old, back in the day. All right, I'm gonna set this on this table right here, and I'm gonna make this thing explode with my mind, therefore blowing your mind. So here we go. We're gonna do this. All right, check this out. All right, here we go. That's how it's done, people. That's how it's done.